going on, guys? It's Zach. Hope you all are doing well. It's about that time again where we take a look at some of the best Android applications of the month. As always, all of the applications will be listed down below in the description, so make sure you check them out. Alright, so first up we have Days Counter. Now with this you can easily keep track of big events that are coming up. But what's cool about this is that you can customize the look of each countdown. So let's say you have a trip coming up, you enter in the name of your trip, enter when it'll go down, then you can add a description if you'd like. You can also choose an event header from either the built-in collection or from your own gallery. The app also comes with a widget so you can get a quick glance of your events on your home screen. This here is a great way to keep your life under control with task and to-do lists. So adding a task is pretty simple. Just add what you want to do, when you want to do it, and you can enter in additional notes if you need to. You can color code the task and you can choose an icon to associate with it. Now what's really cool about this app is the list section. Here's where you can keep different tasks organized with categories like work, books to read, payments, and of course you can create your own. The app itself is very well made with smooth animations, clean gestures, and a nice colorful user interface. Definitely try this out. Next up, we've got Long Screenshot. It's pretty self-explanatory. This app lets you take long screenshots. So if you want to capture an entire web page, you can do that. And that's it. Pretty simple, right? Next up, we've got Curious Facts. Yet another simple app, and this one gives you a bunch of cool facts you probably didn't know. Now I know some people just might scratch their heads in confusion, wondering if these facts are really true. Well, long pressing on a fact will allow you to verify these facts. It basically just does a Google search. The app has a dark mode for easier reading at night. You can favorite and share these facts as you'd like, and overall, this is a good place to boost your knowledge. Halfway down the list, we've got Beat Racer. It's a pretty neat rhythm game where you have to collect these little beats strewn all over the road. The controls here are pretty simple. Swipe left and right to move left and right, swipe up to avoid obstacles, and swipe down to fend off enemies. Overall, it's a pretty solid game with smooth animations, bright and colorful graphics, and I think it's worth a shot. Next, we have Compass. Now for those of you who still find the need for a compass, this is the app you want. Not only does it look nice with a clean user interface and slick colorway, but it's also ad-free. Enough said, right? At app number 7, we have Forecast. This here is probably one of the simplest weather apps I've ever used. It doesn't try to be too fancy. It's got a very simple UI with bright accent colors, and of course, material design. You've got 3 panels: current weather, tomorrow's weather, and the forecast for the rest of the week. You also have a bunch of different graphs to check out, and you also have a time machine, so you can check to see what the weather was like last year on that same day, for example. So if you're looking for a basic yet attractive and ad-free weather app, I'd say this one here is worth a look. Nearing the end of the list, we have Material Notes. Now, I usually don't get into note applications that aren't Google Keep, but this one here is so nice that I had to keep it around. It's very similar to Google Keep in that you can color code your notes and lists, and you can organize them in a grid order. You can export your notes as text files, you can view them in the included night mode, you can change the font that appears in your notes, and you can actually choose from quite a few, and you can even lock your notes with a 4-digit PIN. The app also comes with complete resizable widgets as well, so great looks all around with this app. It's easily worth a download. Second to last, we have Material Lock. This here is a simple yet very useful app for those of you who don't want people snooping around your phone. This allows you to lock pretty much any application with a PIN code or a fingerprint if your device has a scanner. You can choose to disable the lock automatically when your phone is connected to trusted Bluetooth devices and trusted network connections. So if you're looking to keep your application safe from other people, then this is the app you want. Last but not least, we've got Orbital Key. This here is a pretty neat keyboard that you can customize. I guess you can consider this the stock Android keyboard with a bit of a twist, or you can get creative and make your own with the theme builder. Here you can change the color of the space bar, the shift key, the delete button. You can change the color of the letters, and you can also change the keyboard background color to whatever color you want. Or you can add a custom background image. So go ahead and give this app a try. It's a great way to make your keyboard look the way you want it to. So that pretty much does it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, feel free to hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to check out all of the applications down below in the description. But that does it for me. I'll talk to you guys in the next one, and thanks for watching.